Welcome to Vishay Specialty Thin Film. Vishay Specialty Thin Film is comprised of the brands Vishay Ultrasource and Vishay Electrofilms. Ultrasource is located in Hollis, New Hampshire and is ISO 9001 and AS 9100 certified. Electrofilms is located in Warwick, Rhode Island and is ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 certified. The products offered by the Specialty Thin Film Group include custom substrates built to a customer's design and a full line of wire-bondable passive chip components including resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Our advanced manufacturing capabilities start with our extensive lineup of sputtering tools. The Specialty Thin Film Group has 11 sputter machines, including both DC magnetron and RF sputtering. Other capabilities are photolithography with a wide range of photoresists and electroplating of copper, nickel, and gold. Wet and plasma etching and silicon nitride deposition for passivation and interlayer interconnects. Laser machining for shapes and cutouts. Solid filled vias in both gold and copper. We have laser trimming for tight resistor tolerances and a set of dicing saws for precision singulation. All of our parts are 100% visually inspected for the highest quality, and environmental testing is available upon request. Contact Vishay Specialty Thin Film for all your thin film requirements.